We're starting off foggy this morning, but that fog will clear by lunchtime, leaving clouds across the state. When's our next chance of rain? Next cold front? Let's talk about it in this Thursday edition of the Texas Weather Roundup. Good morning. It is Thursday, the 16th of November, 2023. I'm Texas Storm Chasers Spotty-in-Chief David Reimer. It is a foggy start to the morning across several regions of Texas. Most locations under the fog are dealing with visibilities under 1/4 mile. That includes places like western third of Texas, again, down into South Texas, the hill country, into portions of the coast this morning. That fog will burn off over the next few hours after sunrise, but we'll still have to deal with some fog continuing through lunchtime. Let's take a look at the rapid refresh model, and this will give us a glimpse into the day. Even after the fog burns off, it's going to be a mostly cloudy day with upper level cirrus and stratus moving across the state. We're going to see scattered showers along a southward moving cool front tomorrow. That'll make its way across the northwestern third of Texas down into the Big Country, Concho Valley, Permian Basin. The rain is going to be very, very light. We're not expecting more than a few hundredths of an inch, but it might be enough to wet the pavement at times. Otherwise, cloud cover is going to remain entrenched across most of the state today and tomorrow. We could see fog, perhaps dense, tonight again across the Interstate 35 corridor from North Texas down through Central Texas, the Hill Country, South Texas, the Coastal Bend, the coastal plains into perhaps the Rio Grande Valley. Some of that fog may burn off a little more quickly tomorrow than today, thanks to that cool front trying to move southeast. In terms of sensible weather, the only major storm system to deal with over the next 5 days will be on Sunday and Monday. An area of low pressure is going to take shape, and along and east of that area of low pressure, we could see scattered showers and thunderstorms as soon as Sunday morning across portions of northwest Texas. As we head into Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening, a broken line of showers and perhaps thunderstorms will be possible along the Interstate 35 corridor from Central Texas, North Texas, up into Oklahoma. Those will move into the Arklatex Sunday evening into Monday morning, and then eventually into Arkansas and Louisiana Monday morning. On the backside of that departing area of low pressure, Monday, a cold front, stronger one this time, will move south into the state of Texas. We could see some scattered showers continue on the backside of that area of low pressure as moisture wraps around onto the backside. At this point, it all looks like liquid rain. A couple of these storms Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening can't rule out small hail and gusty winds, but a limiting factor for a more potent severe weather setup will be the lack of instability. Cloud cover, etc. should keep the atmosphere at least mostly on the stable side, thus preventing more rowdy thunderstorm updrafts from materializing. Look past rain totals over the next 5 days. Here we go. The potential for Sunday and Monday system to produce 1/10 to perhaps 1/2 inch of rain across eastern North Texas, pretty much, east of Interstate 35, Gainesville down to Dallas, down to Austin, east. Best chance for accumulating rain over 1/4 inch will be eastern North Texas, the Arklatex, eastern portions of Texoma, down into the Brazos Valley, the Piney Woods of East Texas, down into southeast Texas, and the Golden Triangle, places like College Station, Houston, Tyler, up to Paris, and points off to the east. And again, most of that precipitation will fall Sunday afternoon through Monday morning, maybe a little bit continuing into Monday afternoon and Monday evening before we dry out on Tuesday. Wednesday and Thanksgiving Day are looking dry in the state of Texas with seasonable weather. It may be a bit cool on Wednesday, back up a bit on Thursday, Thanksgiving Day. Today's high temperature forecast, it's going to be pretty warm across the state. Coolest spots will be the Arklatex into eastern North Texas, highs in the 60s. Otherwise, we're looking at 70s to perhaps right around 80 degrees across the state. So we head into Friday. It'll be a bit cooler behind that cool front across the northwestern third of Texas with high temperatures in the 60s. Otherwise, we're looking at another day of 70s to perhaps middle 80s by the time you get into the Edwards Plateau, Rio Grande Plains, and South Texas. Saturday, we're looking at 60s and 70s, maybe right around 80 in places like McAllen, right down in deep South Texas. Sunday, middle 80s return to deep South Texas, further north, right about 60, 61 in Texarkana and the Arklatex. We're looking at upper 60s in the Panhandle, right around 70 to 77 degrees across the remainder of Texas. And then you can see that cold front coming in on Monday. This will be another one of these situations where high temperatures may occur earlier in the day as the cool front moves south. These are high temperatures after 6 a.m. Monday, so 6 a.m. Monday maybe 65 degrees in DFW or 54 degrees in Amarillo, but temperatures may fall from there on out. You get the point, with another quite warm day across deep South Texas ahead of that cold front. And then on Tuesday, high temperatures across the state, definitely much cooler. We're looking at lower to middle 50s, the northern two-thirds of Texas, with South Texas still just ahead of the cold front with temperatures in the 60s falling Tuesday afternoon. That'll be it for your Thursday edition of the Texas Weather Roundup. We'll begin a new drought monitor out here in the next couple of hours. We'll post that over on social media when it is out. Several of you have been asking about that, wondering how the drought's been doing. Otherwise, we'll include that in Friday's edition of the Texas Weather Roundup. And as always, you can get your local weather information, interactive weather radar, these daily Texas Weather Roundups, and your storm chasing video in the free Texas Storm Chasers mobile app or by visiting us at texasstormchasers.com. Y'all make it a good Thursday. We'll chat with y'all again a bit later. Have a good one. God bless.